Please verify your face.
Click and
Please enter a 6 to 8-digit password.
enter the password you want.
Input again.
Enter again.
User 000 success. 1.
Click
Add
1.
user. 2. 1. Add administrator user.
Click
Please
2 to
enter
add
unlock
face
information.
recognition.
Please capture a frontal face.
Follow the instructions to enter the face recognition.
Please lower your head. Please put your face toward the left side. 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 User 010 success. Can Continus enter? Press the asterisk key to return. Please capture a frontal face.
Just proceed with the fingerprint entry without clicking.
Press again.
Repeatedly press the fingerprint.
Press again. Press again. User 011 success. Can Continus enter? Press the F.
Click and
Please verify the administrator.
enter the password that you just set.
1. Add user. 2.
Click 3.
1. Dinner setting.
Click 3.
1. Network configuration.
Click 1.
Net configuring.
Connect the Tuya app.
Success. 1. Network configuration.